Hello, it's Brandon Bakes, and today we're going to be baking cherry pies in an air fryer, which some of you might have gotten for Christmas. But what I got for Christmas, the camera quality might be a little bit better because I actually got a real video camera. Alright, let's start. Alright, so what you're going to need is 2 pounds of cherries, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I already put the sugar and the cherries in the pot, but let's add everything else now. Ooh, the almond extract smells good. Set that off to the side. Open up the vanilla. Put that in. Put those off to the side. Put the lemon juice in. And now the cornstarch. Alright, now you want to turn it on to a medium heat and stir until it is nice and thick and juicy. Alright, so you see how it's getting a little bit syrupy and darker? So here if I pick it up, it's a little more viscous. It means it's getting pretty close to being done. And once you have it done, you're going to want to let it cool for a little bit. And also, you don't have to make cherry pies in the air fryer if you don't have an air fryer. You can just use this to make your own cherry pie, but I'm doing it in the air fryer. So yeah, it's almost ready. Alright, so this is starting to become really thick. So I'm going to turn it off, and we're going to go put it in a cool place. But while I put it in a cool place, I'm going to set up for the next part. See you in 10 minutes. Alright, so now, okay, if you hear a big buzzing noise in the background, that's the air fryer going. So you want to roll this out to 10 inches to 12 inches. So you want one side to be 10 and the other one to be 12. So on my thing, 10 inches is about that. Pull this back. Put that there. And you do want to lightly flour it too. And start your air fryer at 400 degrees. Alright, now you want to cut this into 4 squares. Stay away from rolling pin. Alright, right there. Make sure that's a nice line. Alright. Put right there. Right here. Alright, now you have these pieces. You want to spread them out a little bit. Make sure that they're all cut through too. Spread it out. And I have this little sheet of parchment paper that I will slip underneath the piece for when we put it in the air fryer. And the reason why I do that is so you can carry it like this, but you'll have it folded over. But you can do that and easily slip it into the air fryer. So now you want to get your spoon and your pot of cherries. And approximately 8 cherries will fit on one piece of this. So, and you want to have them right towards the middle, otherwise it will be hard to clamp down the edges when you fold it over. So set this down. Alright, that's about 8 cherries. Now, you fold it over. Here, let me show you what I did. Okay, you can see what I did. You fold it over, and then you press it down. Not too hard, but kinda hard. Back down, and then do that. You don't want to get too close to the middle though and put it down on the cherries, because if you put it down on the cherries, it will come shooting out, and that's just a pain to deal with. So you don't want to do that. Alright. Now, I'm going to pick this up here. Let me just set you over here so you can see the air fryer going. So you can see what I'm going to do too. Set you. Let me just tilt you up. Pick it up. Open the air fryer up. I'm going to set it down in there. Get the parchment out. And you're going to put it in there for 7 minutes and then flip it and cook it for 1 minute. Alright, so this one's ready to take out. So it's a little tricky to take out. And this one doesn't look like it needed to be flipped when I checked it a minute ago. So we're not going to flip it, but most of you guys will need to flip yours and then cook it for 1 minute. Alright, let's let it cool and then cook the others. Alright, so I made a super simple powdered sugar and milk frosting, and I'm just going to drizzle it on the top. Just get a little bit more. Doesn't that look good? Alright, let's taste test it now. Alright, I'm going to try it now. It's a little hard to cut up. That tastes exactly like a cherry pie. That's really good. I really recommend you should make this. It tastes exactly like a cherry pie. And in my opinion, it's a little bit easier to make than a cherry pie. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!